This video brought to you by Carrazzo.net.au.
Changing a tyre on a GTS isn't easy, but I'm going to show you how much you need. You will need to start with a 17 spanner. You will need a long nose pliers. You'll need a snips, a special head called a T40. You'll also need a ratchet with a 17 head and an extendable. And also, last but least, you will also need an Allen key, a size 8 Allen key opener. And first thing we're going to do is 17 bolt on the exhaust. Loosen that off. There are 3 bolts that secure the exhaust. One is located here, here and here. And a T3's head should look like that, like a star. Now with the bolts being released, what we're going to do is we're going to swivel the exhaust and pull it out of its sleeve. It takes a bit of work, but it does come off. What we're going to do next is we're going to take out Allen key bolts located here and here, which is the swing arm, which is also attached to the wheel, which has to come off. Next we're going to take the swing arm off, but first we have to take out this split pin and this retainer, which is holding it on. Next we're going to use a 24mm ratchet head and an impact gun. Now what we're going to do is remove the swing arm, but first we're going to have to pull the shock from the swing arm, and now your swing arm should come straight off, just with a little wiggle. And next, just to get your tyre off, all you have to do is undo these 5 bolts and your tyre will come straight out. Well, that's it, pretty easy, isn't it?